Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is another project of ours. It's a Silicon Valley Bank, 387 Park Avenue South. Let me walk you through it, and you'll see what it'll look like now and what it's going to look like by another month. So this is where you're going to have a cafeteria, a little kitchen that we just made. Okay, this is the server room. Okay, executive offices, some more offices over here. This is going to be the work area. And going around over here, some more workstations. We're staging everything tonight, and we're going to start installing everything on Monday. Today is Thursday. So in 1 week, it's not going to look like this. It's going to be beautiful. So stay tuned and watch the magic.